Los Angeles, city located in Southern California, United States. It is the most populous city in the state, and the second most populous city in the United States after New York City. The city is known for its Mediterranean climate, sprawling urban landscape, diverse population, and vibrant entertainment industry. It is home to many iconic landmarks such as the Hollywood sign, the Walk of Fame, and the Griffith Observatory. The Los Angeles metropolitan area is also one of the largest economies in the world, with a diverse range of industries such as entertainment, technology, finance, healthcare, and aerospace. The Port of Los Angeles is one of the busiest ports in the world, handling a significant portion of the country's trade. Los Angeles is also known for its cultural diversity, with significant populations of Latinos, Asians, African Americans, and people from all around the world. It is home to many museums, galleries, and cultural institutions, as well as numerous festivals and events celebrating its rich cultural heritage. Now we show you some of the best places to visit in Los Angeles. Before the starting video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Number 1. Downtown. The downtown Los Angeles is the central business district of the city and is located in the heart of Los Angeles County. It is home to many of the city's major government and cultural institutions, as well as numerous business and residential developments. One of the most iconic landmarks in downtown Los Angeles is the Los Angeles City Hall, which was built in the Art Deco style in the 1920s and stands at 32 floors tall. The area is also home to the Walt Disney Concert Hall, a stunning architectural masterpiece designed by Frank Gehry that serves as the home of the Los Angeles Philharmonic. Another popular attraction in the downtown area is the Grand Central Market, which has been a fixture of the city since 1917 and features a wide range of food vendors selling everything from tacos and ramen to artisanal cheeses and gourmet coffee. Downtown Los Angeles is also home to several cultural institutions, including the Museum of Contemporary Art, MoCA, and the Broad, a contemporary art museum featuring a vast collection of works by artists such as Andy Warhol, Jeff Koons, and Roy Lichtenstein. Number 2. Universal Studios Hollywood. Universal Studios Hollywood is a popular theme park and film studio located in the Universal City community of Los Angeles, California. It is a part of the larger Universal Studios Entertainment Complex, which also includes Universal City Walk, a shopping, dining, and entertainment destination. The theme park features a variety of attractions and experiences, including rides based on popular movies and TV shows such as Harry Potter, The Simpsons, Jurassic Park, Transformers, and Despicable Me. Visitors can also take a behind-the-scenes tour of the Universal Studios film lot and witness the making of movies and TV shows in real time. One of the highlights of the park is the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, which features a replica of Hogwarts Castle, shops from the Harry Potter universe, and themed rides and attractions, including the Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey ride. Number 3. The Getty Center. On a hilltop in the Santa Monica Mountains, the Getty Center, designed by Richard Meyer, is a huge complex measuring 0.75 square miles and set on 110 acres. The unique building and the beautiful grounds provide the perfect setting for this impressive museum. Collections include European paintings, drawings, sculpture, and decorative arts, as well as 19th and 20th century photography. The views from the museum grounds out over Los Angeles are incredible. Book a table at the restaurant and enjoy a casual lunch while soaking up the scenery. The Getty Center is one of 2 locations of the J. Paul Getty Museum, created by the late oil magnate J. Paul Getty. The Getty Villa, set in a recreated Roman country house, deals with art from the Stone Age to the end of the Roman Empire. Number 4. Griffith Park and Griffith Observatory. Griffith Park is a large urban park located in the eastern part of the Santa Monica Mountains, in the Los Feliz neighborhood of Los Angeles, California. It is one of the largest urban parks in North America, spanning over 4,200 acres of land. Griffith Park is home to a variety of attractions, including hiking trails, picnic areas, sports fields, and playgrounds. It also contains several notable landmarks, such as the Griffith Observatory and the Hollywood sign. The Griffith Observatory is a popular destination within the park, offering stunning views of the city and the surrounding mountains. The observatory features a planetarium, numerous exhibits on astronomy and space science, and a telescope that is open to the public for free viewing of the night sky. Number 5. Peterson Automotive Museum. The Peterson Automotive Museum is a world-class museum dedicated to the history, culture, and art of automobiles. It is located on Wilshire Boulevard in the Miracle Mile neighborhood of Los Angeles, California. The museum's collection features over 300 vehicles spanning over a century of automotive history, including classic cars, race cars, motorcycles, and even futuristic concept cars. The exhibits cover a wide range of themes, including the history of the automobile, automotive design, and the impact of cars on popular culture. One of the museum's most iconic features is its exterior, which is covered in over 300 metal ribbons that are meant to evoke the curves and lines of a car's body. Inside, the museum is divided into several galleries, each with a unique focus on a particular aspect of automotive history and culture. Number 6. Santa Monica. The Santa Monica is a unique destination that is both chic and laid-back, with a population that ranges from surfers, skateboarders, and yoga devotees to techies and business people. The beautiful stretch of golden sand along the coast and the famous Santa Monica Pier, with its iconic Ferris wheel, are what most tourists come to enjoy. But you can find a variety of experiences in this beachfront city next to LA. The downtown district of Santa Monica is lively throughout the day and night. Shoppers will find a range of options, from quirky vintage stores to high-end boutiques. Check out the 3rd Street Promenade for shopping and people-watching, including catching the various street performers. Number 7. The Broad. The Broad is a contemporary art museum located in downtown Los Angeles, California. The museum was founded by philanthropists Eli and Edith Broad, who amassed one of the most significant collections of contemporary art in the world. The museum's collection features over 2,000 works of art from the 1950s to the present day, including paintings, sculptures, installations, and photographs. The collection includes works by some of the most prominent artists of the past century, such as Andy Warhol, Jean-Michel Basquiat, Jeff Koons, and Cindy Sherman, among others. Number 8. California Science Center. The California Science Center, open to the public free of charge, is home to the Space Shuttle Endeavour, as well as other major exhibits. Mission 26. The Big Endeavour is currently on display at the Samuel Oschin Pavilion, while the new Samuel Oschin Air and Space Center is being built. You can see the Space Shuttle, as well as artifacts from the space mission, and learn all about it and the people involved in the program. Number 9. Venice Beach. Venice Beach deserves its reputation as a place to see and be seen, making it perfect for people watching, although the area definitely has its own unique vibe. This stretch of golden sand and the Venice Beach Boardwalk are always thronged with people walking, cycling, rollerblading, and jogging. Eclectic shops and street performers of all kinds line the walkway. The skate park, also just off the beach, is frequented by some of the area's best skateboarders, and nearby are a number of creative art installations. At the appropriately named Muscle Beach, gym members pump iron in the hot California sun. Number 10. Malibu. The Santa Monica Mountains meet the Pacific Ocean in Malibu, on the far western coastline of La County. This dramatic backdrop sets the scene for many Malibu attractions and things to do, while beachside mansions and the occasional celebrity sighting help set the tone for Malibu culture. Exploring some of Malibu's best beaches is one of the best ways to enjoy the city. All are within an hour's drive of Los Angeles, depending on traffic, and each offers a different beachscape to enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.